our Rubik's Cube is playable, right? So it behaves like a physical Rubik's Cube, right? Yeah. So we can put it in our pocket, right? It's more convenient than the physical Rubik's Cube to some extent. Now, what if we mess things up and we want to start from scratch? Is something missing here? What about the button to reset? Okay? And if we forgot how to solve it, we don't need to use a screwdriver to disassemble it and put all the pieces back. Yeah, I did see some guy disassemble that and put the solved Rubik's Cube back. Okay, now let's do it in our code. So let's go to the main storyboard to add a button. Here. So this time let's use the matching template. Like, do we have like oh yeah, here. iPhone SE second generation. This one match our simulator. Yeah. Let's increase that to 100%. Okay, nice. So click this button to add a button, right? Drag and drop. So don't try to resize it before we adjust. Okay, so we can increase the font size a little bit if we like. It's here, 1 2 3 4 fifths. It's called show attributes inspector. What about this one? This one is identity inspector, attributes inspector. Okay, so font size 15, let's increase to 17. Okay, yeah. So now, okay, we can change its title to reset, right? Reset. Now let's do this. I think we can just put it to the, yeah, to the edge. Oh, then we can add the auto layout constraint here. 7. Let's use the standard one. Use the standard value. And here 0 and 0. That's it. We don't need to add this one because there's a default size of the of this button, the height. So it means this is complete. Only 3 constraints, right, are enough. Now let's run it to see if we can see the button. Yes, reset, clickable. Now let's control drag this guy to our view controller. So we needed to put them side by side, 2 panes, right? So hold on option key and click view controller. Yeah, it's out. So this button we can view it. Let's put it here. So hold on control key and drag and drop. Action, yes. The connection type is action. So reset and connect. Okay, how can we reset? We already have a method, right? A function in our game engine, that is Rubiks Cube. Why is there? Can I show it? Okay, so do we have reset? So this guy will reset everything. We only need to pass down this. Oh, it's not the view, it's the view controller, right? So we can call Rubik's Cube dot reset, right? Does it work? Let's try. Run it. Do something. And reset. Ooh. It doesn't work. Did we forget something? Yes. We need to force the re-rendering of the canvas view, right? Canvas view dot set needs display. Try it again. Wait a minute. It's not enough, right? We need to update shadow. We need to update the shadow. And yeah. And I think it's a good idea also update, force a repaint after this one. Yeah. Now let's turn our, oh, yeah, front face, front layer. Okay, reset. Nice. I think it's good idea to also play a sound, right? So let's make a copy of this one and put it here. Try it again. Reset. Cool. Another thing we want to do is automatically shuffle it, right? And in real life, sometimes I ask my friend, right, to shuffle for me, then I can start to solve it. But now, since we are using a computer, an iOS device, we can ask the device to shuffle for us. So let's create one function in our game engine. So reset. After that, we can do shuffle function, shuffle. Okay, how can we do that? How can we shuffle that? We have to use random number, right? How can we apply the random numbers to the action of shuffling? What about this? Say if we get a random number, for example, like 0, then we do one action, right? Like turn, rotate rotate the top face clockwise. And if we get another one, like random number 1, or yeah, we do something else. Do you get the idea? Okay. So let's check how many actions we have. So we defined I think 10 of them. We don't use the back, right? We didn't rotate the back layer directly. Yeah, so we have 10 of them. Cool. So that's generate a random number, a random number between 0 and 9, right? Inclusive. So we can assign one action for each of them. So let's do it. Let shuffle. Okay. Let random number equals what? ARC. Yeah, this number and modulo 10, right? So this will give us a random number from 0 to 9 inclusive. So now we can use a switch like that. Switch. No, we can use switch here. Switch random, right? And the case 0, we can do one of them. Let's list one by one. So rotate. Let's just use that in order. And case 1. So default we do nothing, right? Break. Okay. So case 1. Okay, now I guess we need the mutating. Yeah. So rotate what? Next one. Yeah. Case 2. Rotate what? Oh, rotate FD. Now L. Case 3. Rotate the R. Case 4. Rotate U, right? And case 5. Rotate. What's the next one? D. We already used D, but we don't need this one. This doesn't help. Those are for rotating the whole one. Oh, we already have 5 there. So now we only need to add the prime. So let's make a copy of them. Remove this one. We only need to add prime, right, to each of the method function. Control I, auto format. Yeah, and we don't need this line. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's add the prime here. Starting from this one. Prime. Yeah. Prime. And copy this guy. Paste. Paste. Thanks for our consistent naming, right? So this will shuffle once, right? Just once. It's not enough, but let's give a try to see what is the random number, our first random number now. Oh, we need to add another button, right? So let's do it. Another button. So here, grab another button and put it here. Let's increase its font size to 17. And we can double click this guy. Shuffle. And okay, we can hide that. Let's drag this to, oh, I want to adjust this, and the right edge to meet the edge of the screen, and add the auto layout constraints, top, left, right, done. Yeah, now let's control drag this one to build the connection, between view controller and the button. So hold on option key, click that. Yeah. So control drag shuffle, right? This is a good name, shuffle. And we'll do the same thing like that, except this one will be shuffle, right? Okay, run it. Shuffle once. Yes. Shuffle again. Shuffle again. Nice. What about, let's create a loop, right? To shuffle multiple times. And so the code is here. Let's put it inside the for loop, okay? For. We don't need that. So how many times? 0, dot, dot. 100 times? Wow. Cut. And paste. Let's see. Run it. Shuffle. Ooh. Shuffle again. What about reset? Wow, nice. Let's increase this one to 1000. So it will be more random, right? Hopefully. Oh, cool. And reset. Yes. Shuffle again. Shuffle again. Shuffle again. Cool. That's it for today. See you next time.